What you talking about? Is Jaden Blaze?
Big up all who check in. Remember to like, share, drop your comment and subscribe. Now, some people say the reason why Vybz Kartel choose to say Sharika and not Shorty because him and Sharika good, while him and Shorty not really good. Shorty, Sharika, name them kind of sound similar if you try rhyme. But Sharika, who him say? Now, I'm going to hear what go on and then we are continue reasonation. Remember to drop your comment in the comment section. December 31st. Are you getting your early tickets?
You understand? Nah, left for no like how me left Sharika. And we know that it'll make you smile.
You just love rhyming.
I know that it'll make you smile, man.
Tell me you think. Tell me you feel like it was strategic. Everything in Vybz Kartel people normally feel like it's strategic. Sometimes just a rhyme. But some people that's the reason why I'm saying Sharika and not Shorty. Now tell me one thing. The people are now excited. The date has been confirmed. On December 31st. On New Year's Eve. You know that, but we are look forward to see at the end of the show fireworks or maybe depending upon what time Vybz Kartel touch the stage. If he might touch the stage, you don't know a big artist. So you can have opening artists. He might touch the stage 12, we don't know. But there will be fireworks. So you can, it will definitely be an event. A memorable event. Too long Vybz Kartel they behind the bars. Too long fans have been waiting. People are talking about the Freedom concert from Jamaican appeal days. Long before the local appeal was turned down and the case gone over to the Privy Council. And from them time until now, the people might talk about the Freedom concert. Yeah, the people might look forward to see Vybz Kartel on stage. Vybz Kartel say before that though, him that work on him health and spend time with him family. We see him spend time with him family. And based on the video them we see, Vybz Kartel look healthier than ever. One of the reasons where him doctor they give him say, yo, the doctor say, behind the bars, you know it go behind the bars. But when him dey out in the world, him can get the treatment and, you know, can just live healthier. We see a video circulate with the people who beat one bread on the ground and I say, yo, you know what I mean? The bread them behind the bars are baked with enough farmer, nothing to make it soft. So, when we talk about being behind the bars and healthcare wise, it just better for Vybz Kartel since him get released. Can eat on time, eat the thing that him supposed to eat. You know what I mean? Work out, do what him supposed to do. Keep him health in check. And we can definitely say him do it. We hear people talk about smoking. Me no see Vybz Kartel on the media with that spliff again. From see Vybz Kartel forward out the first time with that spliff and a celebrate freedom. Me no see him back on the media with no spliff. So like him definitely look like him definitely take him health very seriously. You don't know people that talk about the vice training and you know. To me, just because the conditions are behind the bars. Since Vybz Kartel has been released, the teacher don't really sound that different. So most fans believe say by no one when the show in Bicycle sound as how people remember it. We know say him link up Vaga. You know what I mean? And Vaga say oh he make him get the thing them. So we are look forward to see Vybz Kartel on stage and rock the stage. As I say, tell me what you do. Tell me if you look out to see early tickets, online tickets and sales so you can get here from now. We know that's one of the reasons why people don't want to know the date. People from overseas, remember, the people from overseas they don't want to know the date so that them can decide, say, alright, they might get time off from work. You know the people who make money overseas. Well, when I them, most of the people who make money overseas from Jamaica are working people. They have to schedule them time off. Get them time off from work. You know what I mean? Forward out. Know where them are going to stay. Guest houses, them are going to stay with family. Make all of them necessary arrangement there. So then they don't want to know the date. You know what I mean? And then them can get them early tickets. Plus them go to buy tickets for more people. Because you know you have people who are bringing them wife. Man overseas that listen Vybz Kartel songs for much years. Him wife I hear the music for much years. He might bring her come show her a Vybz Kartel dancehall show. Locals are roll out. People in the Jamaican island are gonna roll out and them numbers. Yeah. We see what going on with Buju show. So we can definitely tell. We see what going on with Buju show. So we can definitely tell. The people might look forward for this for quite some time. I know that the date has been confirmed. And with the fact say Joe is also on board. Yeah, we know say alright. Just like how we say, you know, Sunfest and all that other big shows on the island. We are look forward to see that. You know what I mean? That festival vibe. You know? Maybe, you know, showtime at a certain time and you know, from the old days of festival, vibes just go on. It's like how all you have. What me try compare it to? We want to say Coachella. And then you can probably do a Coachella vibes. Or the other thing that we keep in Miami to more while. Remember that a big show the name way. And from in the day it start. Right up until the night. It can be a vibes like that. Where from December 31st, from in the day part, right up until the artists are perform, people are all have vibes. You know, it's just a festival type of energy. It can do that way too. That way there. You know what I mean? People there from early. People can do it them one day. You know what I mean? And go on all the vibes and enjoy the whole settings. Because it will definitely be link up. It will definitely be a link up. All 14 parishes will be linking up in a wherever it will keep. People from overseas are flying. So, and something can start up in the night and just go to in the morning. It have to start from in the day. Festival vibes. Vybz Kartel also say a name for the show. Him say Marks fans. They tell him when feel like the show for name. Some people say already as a freedom concert. I don't know if the name they use already or something. I mean, I think that Buju concert name, Freedom Concert. I think that's that Buju concert name. So I guess that's why just Freedom Concert wouldn't work. So we don't know. Vybz Kartel is also a very creative individual. He just want to have the fans to be a part of what he wants. So maybe him take something with the fans them say. And you know what I mean? Refine it, say something else, add something to it or something. We don't know. But I definitely a way to incorporate the fans in all of what he wants. And that I show you say Vybz Kartel I think about the fans. I'm first show in how long. And them definitely want to make it be a special and memorable show. For everybody who attend, everybody who go stream. Cause you know this go. Them already I said them don't know if the venue can hold everybody. Them have to have some big screen like parking lot for all who are out there too. And then it have to go stream online. Mind sharp, all of the weight in there. All them big screen where them have in every town like when they normally show the Olympics running a go on. It might even turn on and show Vybz Kartel part of the performance. I just say something, I know. Just say something. Tell me if you agree, I just say something. You know what I mean? It's just a suggestion. It's just a suggestion. You know what I mean? When I said I forgot. But tell me you think, too much people can forward in, we definitely know say the venue now can just hold so much people. Be a whole heap of people are forward. Whole heap of people. And of course, as you know, you have to have other parts of the tour in other countries. Everybody now can forward in time. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel and just pass through, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now, a quick recap. Vybz Kartel say, to see them say, nah, left far like him left Sharika. No. I just a rhyme. Even see them say, yo, the teacher just love rhyme. But people are saying maybe, you know what I mean, it was shade to Shorty. Some people say people are trying to make something out of nothing. Like we're hardworking people at Jamaica do on a daily basis. by the blessings. But until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper and for to stay tuned.